All right, our focus question. Again, Miss Copeland asked her students the following question. What is your favorite type of movie? So now we're going to find the median, I'm sorry. On Monday, we found the mode, which is the number we saw the most of. Whoa. Yesterday, we found the range. The range was the biggest number minus the smallest number. Now we're going to find the median. Median means middle. And you must put them in order. Must put in order. All right, so let's remind ourselves. Comedy, we had 4 students who chose that they liked comedy. Action, 5 students. Romance, 6 students. 1 for drama and 4 for science fiction. Let's put them in order. Let's use this color. So we have a 1, a 4, a 4, a 5, and a 6. Let's find the median or the middle. Outside, 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 outside. What is in the middle? What is the median here? The median is just 4. That's going to be it for our median. That's all. All you have to write is 4. The median is 4. That's it for our focus question. Great job.